already making it to the other side of the parking. So yeah, I don't mean to be negative or rude or just say like I don't take your opinions into consideration. I really do, but when they become about communist California or this and that, it's like it just makes it, I mean, I really don't respond. It's like, well, you know, I don't know what to tell you. All I know is that I really like Cali, and just because I got pulled over by one individual morning, it doesn't. Oh, this is cool. Shicky's here? I didn't know he was here. This guy always just shows up all quiet. Again, this guy's from all the way from up in LA. Mayday Drive, no problem. So, I mean, it just comes down to morning. It just comes back to that, man. You know. Oh, ET's here. What's up? Oh, my bad. Where's ET? He's walking around. He's signing all these signatures, you know.
Which alarm did you get up on? 5, 501, 505.
It was bad. That was my meat prep, man. This is homie Ping. No, not enough. Man, look at Pink's. So beautiful. This whole lineup. Look at this. So yeah, I mean, that's kind of like my mentality where. What happened? What's the new thing? The mirrors? The mirrors? Oh shit.
Right on top it says zoom.
Damn. I like the design. Can you...
You can come back, me or ET or Op's here to get one.
Oh, you guys have them?
I'm bringing them in.
I like them. I like the design of it. Man, the car looks super clean, man.
Thank you.
Don't forget your phone's on the passenger seat.
Is it?
Yeah. Oh, there's a phone there, so. Beautiful.
Oh yeah.
What it is to be famous, huh, Ping?
Huh?
What it is to be famous. Couple cool Subarus. I think this is, yeah, this is Eric, the gentleman that I was talking to. ITR, or Type R swap, I should said. And it's cool. He's still working on it. Still got a couple things to do on it, but I like it. I really like wheel and tire setup in the color. A lot of cool cars. So yeah, look, ultimately, oh man, this is so cool with the hubcaps. So ultimately for me, it's just a matter of like, I enjoy Cali. I don't let one negative interaction kind of mess with that idea. If eventually it doesn't, this is not the place where I want to be in the long run, then yeah, maybe I'll consider moving. But I also have to be cognizant enough to understand that the car scene anywhere else is not going to be the same, and I really truly believe that. You know, we're definitely the mecca of the automotive world, whereas Honda or anything else is, I think, is there's absolutely nobody out there that can match what Soka has to offer. Puro vato popular, popular guy, you know? Puro vato popular.
Órale, güey.
What's up, brother? How are you? Hey, how did it go yesterday on running?
That was good.
Yeah?
We're just talking about it right now.
Good? Hey, I'm glad you're running because I'm not running, so good job.
Gosh, how do you know?
Thank you. I'm sucking it in. Now I can breathe again. What's up, brother? What's your name?
DC Roller?
Hmm?
Oh, Patrick.
Patrick.
Yeah.
Mono. For your car, yeah, way. This car is nice. Yep.
El puto de Alex está pintando así, güey.
Oh, sí. DAP, ¿no?
Yeah, this is beautiful, man.
Véndelo así otra vez. All right. making a ways this way. Oof, an Impala just hanging out there. That guy's gonna steal the show. That's real old school. Nah, all cars look cool. But yeah, I mean, just kind of wanted to get that. Beautiful, man. Oh my gosh, absolutely gorgeous. You nailed it, man.
Yeah. Oh, that's not mine.
Oh, is that yours? I thought it was yours. You're like, yeah. I was like, oh.
I wish it was mine, bro.
Then I would have been like, oh, thanks, bro. Then walk away. Take credit for it. This is cool. Who's gonna be on YouTube? Ooh, has the UR front seats. Pretty cool. Gotta show love to all the Accords, you know. But anyways, so yeah, ooh, this is nice. Just kind of wanted to have that conversation with some of you guys. What's up, fellas? Man, that thing's beautiful. Wow. Beautiful. What's up, man? How are ya? Doing fantastic. It's a beautiful day. Can't complain. No, thank you guys for coming out, man. Man, look at all these cars. Can't even look one way or the other because you're gonna miss something good. Oh, this is so freaking cool right here. Check these out. That's only if you know, hubcaps, and it's boosted, and the interior is mint. Man, how cool is this? Sleeper mode has been activated. But yeah, a lot of cool cars, even better people. Seems that everybody's been pretty calm and quiet. You know, just relaxing. Oh, wide body for a lady. One of the best looking cars for sure. It's dope. This Ferro is absolutely bonkers. Really one of my most favorite wings for this 5th gen sedan. Absolutely gorgeous. Ooh, and that front lip and everything. Wow. What's up, man? Good morning. Oh, hi, cutie. Where's it at? Is it the white one?
No, it's like a root beer brown one.
Sedan?
Yeah.
I love it, dude. Yeah, I saw it already. I love it, man. 16-inch wheels?
Yeah.
I like it, man. Damn, this is clean. Super clean. I really like this car a lot. A big shout out to a big group from. Hey, I saw somebody running. Ah, what's up, man?
How's it going?
So now you're taking out the guns now?
Oh man, where?
Making us all look bad, dude. Put back a sweater, man.
Can we borrow yours?
Put back a sweater, man.
I'll give it back.
No, it's actually you'll rip it if you flex. Big shout out to the big group from San Diego Oceanside, man. Showing mad love. Johnny, and I forgot everybody else's name. I just remember Johnny, but one of them drives the root beer sedan Accord that I was showing you guys. Sammy right here. He actually ended up doing a right-hand drive conversion. We interviewed him not too long ago, and but yeah, I definitely appreciate you guys just stopping by and saying what's up, man. It's, I don't know, it's aside from the cars, you know, it's the people. So they come for the cars, stay for the people. Get out of the way. This one, if I'm not mistaken, is K-Series. I've seen it all on Instagram. Beautiful front end, super cool to see. Wow, this thing is beautiful. And that engine bay is just clean. Very beautiful. I love it. So yeah, one of the questions was, so how do you choose the cars that you interview? And you know, I'll be honest with you guys, I look for cars that I like, and then, oh cool, work wheels. I look for cars that I like, and then I kind of scope the personality of the individual. You know, if they're not people that are saying or doing things I just, you know, out of my comfort, then I'll reach out to them and say, hey, you know, you wanna be interviewed? And to this day, I mean, if I send 10 DMs, maybe I'll get, you know, 9 responses or 8, and then not everybody, you know, is down to interview, which is fine. 100%. I don't have an issue with that. But yeah, if any of you were wondering how I go about interviewing people, that's how I go about it.
Sorry.
No, you're good. Also, I'm trying to take pictures at the same time. I do have a lot of people that always, you know, reach out and they ask like, hey, you want to interview? Let me get this guy's way. And so yeah, I'm down to definitely meet up with different people to see their cars and stuff, but most of the time I go and ask them. So met Patrick, the owner of this Del Sol. Oh, okay. I think I've seen this Del Sol before, but I don't know who the owner was, and it happens to be Patrick. Okay, well, nice meeting you today, Patrick. Really like the red NSX. Very cool car. Beautiful early gen Civic. What's up, brother? How are you? Doing well. The cage looks amazing.
Yeah, thanks.
I hear you're still on your quest for 8,000 horsepower.
I think I'm gonna go turbo.
Leave it. So I got confused. Patrick owns this red Del Sol. This is yours. I thought the other red one was yours, but then I just saw the red wheels. Okay. A lot of red Del Sols today, man. See you later, Patrick. See you later, Kev.
Hey, good to meet you, man.
Nice to meet you guys, man. You guys ride safe. So these gentlemen right here came all the way from Ventura County. Nice to meet you guys. Definitely appreciate the encouragement from Kevin, the owner of this EF hatch, OG in the game. You know, maybe he'll say yes to an interview soon, but for now, you know, thank you so much, man, for just taking the time and sharing a very intimate story and personal story. I really appreciate it. I mean, that's what it is, you know. That's why I always tell you guys. Oh wow. And if I'm not mistaken, I think the story is on this car. So yeah, it's crazy to see and to hear stories on how cars come about, and that goes to show you it's not just a car. There's meaning behind that, and you know, people are willing to drive from far away to just hang out. Hey, so thank you, Kev. Thank you to your buddies for showing mad love, and you know, thank you for coming out and supporting, man, all the way from Ventura County. That's a cool 2.5 hour drive here, probably more. But we're gonna end up finishing the video here. I do apologize if I didn't show your car. I spent a lot of time talking to a lot of people, and that's definitely a good thing. I don't take that for granted. We're gonna finish it with the Seal K boys. Maddie here, beautiful. But yeah, much love to everybody and anybody who tunes in, and just say thank you. I mean, I really, the love doesn't go unnoticed. Sick. That's cool. Nice BMW. What's up, brother? Yeah, man. Guys, nice to meet you. What's your name? Juan? All right, so like I said, we're gonna finish it up with Monito's car. Homie, always driving it everywhere. Relax, it is a show car. Big shout out to a couple of the people that stopped by at the end to say what's up. Really appreciate you guys just tuning in. Just to remind you guys, the channel is made from people like you guys. I'm not the one who builds anything cool. I'm just the person who's, yeah, I guess, asking the questions. And so I really appreciate you guys for making the time to watch. Your time is as valuable as anybody else's, and so you guys spending the time to watch a channel that hopefully you get motivated by, that, man, it's like the most ultimate compliment. So thank you guys. Thank you. And yeah, if you guys ever see me recording, say what's up. I mean, we always gotta stop. It's not the end of the world. But yeah, we'll finish it with this amazing Accord, because you know, that's what we like around here. But yeah, catch you guys in the next one, and thank you for the love, and thank you, Isaac, for hosting one more time. Peace out, San Diego.